It's a new year, we're changing things up. It's time to get going. All right, 2019, here we go. I want to know, are you team resolution or team intention? I know for myself, setting intentions just feels so much better and so much more empowering than setting resolutions that I know I'm just going to be disappointed by January 15th. So if you haven't yet set your intentions for 2019, I'm going to walk you through my strategy so that you can manifest your best, most confident year ever. For the best advice on how to live your path of purpose while owning your authenticity, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notified when I release a new video each Thursday. Welcome to The Inner Fire with me, Heather Evans, your confidence coach and career vision strategist. It's time to live your life of purpose while owning your authenticity. Let's ignite our potential together. So I switched over to setting intentions a while ago. I just got sick of making resolutions only to find myself disappointed that I wasn't following through or that I wasn't meeting my goals. I don't know if you have felt that way as well, but moving to an intention setting practice really transformed the way I saw what I wanted to manifest each year. With resolutions, it can feel like it's hard and fast rules that, you have to do this or you can't do that, or you need to be making these particular goals at certain times. And that doesn't necessarily set us up for success. Intention setting can be incredibly empowering. It's the best strategy I've found for ensuring personal success in your career, as well as just allowing your path to unfold organically and in the way it should. So here are my steps for creating a magical intention setting session that will set you up for success. So step number 1 of my intention setting process is to make it special. I want you to get cozy. I'm actually wearing one of my coziest shirts right now. Maybe you want to light some candles and play some music. I want the setting to be conducive for you to think creatively, for you to think big, for you to think out of the box. Because remember, we're setting intentions and everything is possible. You might want to get together with a few people. I actually just did an intention setting over the winter solstice with a few girlfriends of mine. And what was great about that is, as much as we were invested in our own intentions, we could also give feedback and support to one another. We could look at what other people were manifesting and get inspired by each other. And so that might be something you want to explore. Others of you might find it more beneficial to really take some time into retreat and do this exercise on your own. The next step is to choose your approach. Do you like to write things down? Maybe you want to pick up a journal and just write out your intentions for the year or for the next quarter or for the next week. Are you somebody who enjoys being online? Maybe Pinterest is the avenue that you want to go on. Maybe you're somebody who really likes old school, cutting out pictures out of magazines, getting that crazy glue out, and going to town. And I wanted to share with you, when I got together with my girlfriends, that's exactly what we did. We actually did some cut and paste. Now, I traditionally will set my intentions online. I am a lover of Pinterest. I use it all the time, but I actually took time with my girlfriends to create a cut and paste version of my intentions for the year. So, I've just got a lot of different stuff on here and it's related to all different areas of my life. So I want you to think about the approach that's going to be most beneficial for you and then create a setting that's going to enable you to allow that process to unfold. So comment below, are you team resolution or team intention setting? I want to know. The third step, I want you to think strategically about your intention setting. One of the ways I do this is by thinking about my life in different categories. So I think about my family, the relationship I have with my husband, the relationship I have with my son. I think about my physical well-being, my emotional health. I think about my finances, and that can help me think in a much more strategic way about the different areas of my life that need some attention, that need some intention for the upcoming year. The fourth step, and the step that's honestly the most fun, is choosing the images and words that represent the intentions you are putting out there. So grab those magazines, log on to Pinterest, grab that journal, and start making those intentions happen. They should be images and words that resonate with you. And one thing that I did this year is in addition to setting my intentions, I also chose a word for the year. And one of the women that I was sitting in community with to do my intention setting with, she's an artist, and I'll include a link to her Instagram below. She's at Coastal Nicole. She brought these beautiful watercolor cards, and I chose one of those to write my word of the year on. So in addition to setting intentions, I also created an intention around that word and what that word means to me. So just some more food for thought, some more things that you can do to inspire your intention setting session. Step 5. The intentions are set. The images are there. You've got your words that represent everything that you want to manifest over the next period of time. But here's the deal, you're not done. I want you to revisit your intentions regularly. When you look at the images and words that you chose, do they still resonate? I tend to check in on a 90-day basis, so I check in quarterly just to see, does something need to be added, taken away, shifted, adjusted, and knowing that I can make refinements to my intentions as the year goes on, or as the period of time for which I set my intentions goes on. This is an incredibly powerful practice, and it's one that you should come back to regularly throughout the year. Now you know what you need to do to shift from team resolution to team intention setting. I know you want to. To help you out, I created a checklist to help you move through your intention setting session with ease. Be sure to check it out. I'll include a link for that below. In addition to setting intentions, it can be powerful to take time for reflection. Check out my recent video on the power of reflection and the strategy I use to look at my past, present, and future states. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, comment below, and share it with your friends and family who need to switch from team resolution to team intention setting. Until next time, stay ignited out there. I'll see you soon.